Lesson Documentation Standards for AI Systems. Documentation standards for AI systems are crucial in ensuring accountability, transparency, and ethical governance in the deployment of artificial intelligence. As AI technologies permeate various facets of society, the need for robust documentation becomes increasingly significant, not only to comply with regulatory requirements, but also to foster trust among stakeholders. In the context of AI audits, documentation serves as a pivotal tool for auditors to assess compliance with ethical guidelines, legal mandates, and industry standards. This lesson delves into practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications that professionals can employ to enhance their proficiency in documenting AI systems effectively. A fundamental element of AI documentation is the establishment of a comprehensive framework that outlines the objectives, scope, and methodology of the AI system. The AI lifecycle, from conception to deployment and maintenance, must be meticulously documented to ensure accountability. This includes detailing the data sources, data processing methods, algorithmic models, and decision-making processes. One practical tool that can be employed is the model card framework, introduced by Google, which provides a structured approach to document various aspects of machine learning models, including intended use, limitations, ethical considerations, and performance metrics. By implementing model cards, organizations can provide transparency about their AI systems, facilitating better understanding and trust among users and stakeholders. In addition to model cards, the use of data sheets for datasets is another effective tool that supports documentation standards. This concept, proposed by Gebru et al., involves creating thorough documentation for datasets used in AI systems. Datasheets include information on data collection methods, data cleaning processes, potential biases, and ethical considerations. By employing datasheets, organizations can ensure that dataset-related decisions are transparent and traceable, thereby reducing the risk of biased or unethical outcomes. To address the real-world challenge of ensuring compliance with evolving regulatory standards, organizations can adopt the Algorithmic Accountability Framework developed by the AI Now Institute. This framework emphasizes the responsibility of organizations to document and audit their AI systems throughout the lifecycle, focusing on the identification and mitigation of biases and unintended consequences. A step-by-step application of this framework involves conducting regular audits, documenting decision-making processes, and implementing corrective measures when discrepancies are identified. By adhering to this framework, organizations can demonstrate their commitment to ethical AI practices and enhance accountability. Furthermore, to facilitate effective documentation, professionals can leverage practical tools such as AI Explainability 360 and fairness indicators. AI Explainability 360, an open-source toolkit developed by IBM, provides a suite of algorithms and metrics designed to explain the workings of AI models. By integrating explainability tools into the documentation process, organizations can offer clear and understandable insights into how AI models make decisions, thereby increasing transparency and trust. Similarly, fairness indicators, developed by Google, provide metrics to evaluate the fairness of AI models, ensuring that they do not perpetuate biases or discrimination. These tools can be seamlessly integrated into the documentation process, enabling organizations to identify and address fairness-related issues proactively. In practice, the implementation of documentation standards can be illustrated through the case study of a healthcare organization deploying an AI-powered diagnostic tool. The organization begins by documenting the objectives and intended use of the AI system, ensuring that it aligns with ethical guidelines and regulatory requirements. Model cards are employed to provide detailed information on the AI model's performance, limitations, and potential biases. Datasheets for datasets are created to document the datasets used for training and testing, highlighting data collection methods and potential biases. Throughout the deployment, the organization conducts regular audits using the Algorithmic Accountability Framework, documenting decision-making processes and implementing corrective measures as necessary. AI Explainability 360 and fairness indicators are integrated to ensure transparency and fairness in the AI system's operations. By adhering to these documentation standards, the organization not only demonstrates compliance, but also builds trust with patients and stakeholders. The importance of documentation standards is underscored by statistical evidence indicating the growing scrutiny of AI systems by regulatory bodies. According to a report by the European Union Agency for Fundamental Rights, the lack of transparency and accountability in AI systems is a significant concern among policymakers and regulators. The report highlights the necessity for comprehensive documentation to address these concerns and ensure compliance with ethical and legal standards. This reinforces the need for organizations to adopt robust documentation practices to mitigate risks and enhance accountability. In conclusion, documentation standards for AI systems are essential for ensuring accountability, transparency, and ethical governance. By employing practical tools such as model cards, data sheets for datasets, and frameworks like the Algorithmic Accountability Framework, organizations can effectively document their AI systems throughout the lifecycle. The integration of tools like AI Explainability 360 and fairness indicators further enhances transparency and fairness, addressing real-world challenges and building trust among stakeholders. As the regulatory landscape continues to evolve, organizations must prioritize documentation to demonstrate compliance and uphold ethical AI practices. By doing so, they not only mitigate risks, but also contribute to the responsible and accountable deployment of AI technologies.